Presenting you with the VONTAR Z5 Smart TV Box with Android features. I am sure you are going to love the starting graphic. More importantly, you can manually add your favorite apps on the default dashboard for faster access. Also, you can replace or remove apps that are not useful anymore. This TV box pack comes with the device itself, power supply adapter, official HD cable, remote controller, and user manual to make things easier for you. Multiple interfaces like TF card slot, dual USB port, a V input, HD input, 100 MB Ethernet port, and DC power input slot available. Rockchip RK3318 powerful chip supports 4K hard decoding that makes images ultra-high density and feels realistic. 2.4G and 5G dual Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 4.0, 100 MB Ethernet, and USB 3.0 improve data transfer rate significantly. Multiple eye-friendly wallpaper changeable feature gives extra advantages that most young users expect to have. The advanced hardware monitoring feature is included to check the device performance and take suitable steps if requires. VONTAR Z5 is powered by Android 10.0 operating system with 2GB 4GB RAM and 16GB 32GB 64GB ROM capability for non-stop continuous performance. So, what are you waiting for? Get this budget-friendly smart TV box and turn your basic TV into smart Android TV that can run 4K resolution videos.